Hear me now, hear me now. Hear me now. From the hills to the streets, Jah watching over. Though the days dark and the struggle real, we not bow, we not break. Cause the Most High give us strength to carry on. Rastafari forever. Whoa. Morning sunrise, but the pocket still hollow. Hard times everywhere, many youths can't follow. Mama pray nightly, feed the rent and the sorrow. Still Jah light shine, give strength for tomorrow. Them try break with spirit with pressure and lies, but wisdom from Jah open up me eyes. Me walk through the valley where the hungry cry. Still me hold the faith and keep me head high. Every burden on me shoulder, Jah make me heart grow stronger. Though the road rough and colder, His love carry I longer. Thank you, Jah, for wisdom and courage. When the system heavy and the people discouraged, you keep me soul alive through the darkest night. Guide me with your everlasting light. Thank you, Jah, never leave I lonely. Even when the world are cold and falling, through the hard economy and suffering tide, just stand beside I, never hide. Babylon raise the prices every season. Poor man suffer and them ask for reason. Still we not sell out for gold or treason. Jah word alone become me healing. Bread might small but the heart still rich. Love over vanity, that's the switch. Some lose them way through envy and glitch, but righteousness stronger